How you doing? My name's Steven. That felt very weird. My name's Steven. You might recognize me from, I don't know, Never Back Down.
Am I hot?
Guys, give it a rest.
Bachelor Party 2. CSI Miami. No, New York.
Where's the bag? What bag?
Maybe the Food Network? Could be. I was on Worst Cooks in America because I totally don't know how to cook.
I'm DTF. Down to feed.
And I won the Great Food Truck Race. So I figured, hey, why don't we make some things at home with my roommate, who I've known since I was 12 years old. Get in here. Hey! And today we're gonna be making chicken wings, some beautiful, beautiful curly fries, and yourself. Let's go.
Cooking in the kitchen now, that's what we do. There's something cooking in the kitchen just for you. Let's get cooking!
We're gonna make curly fries. How do we do that? Well, with the veggetti. What was that show that they make us watch at our private school?
Bible Man?
Bible Man was good. The vegetables who talked?
You were right, Larry. That was great.
Oh, VeggieTales.
Veggie Tales! I imagine.
They hate to die this way.
Yeah! Okay. Do you want to get on this?
He's never used this before.
I've never used this in my life. Usually do it by hand. We thought about using the mandolin. However, I cut my fingertip off on Worst Cooks. Jump cut!
Flashback.
Flashback! Ow. So we're gonna use this. It's a safer option. And like I always say, it's better to be sorry than safe.
You always say that.
Yeah. Ready? That's certainly not working. So that was fun. We're gonna hand cut fries like they do at
McDonald's.
Exactly. They're all back there just hand cutting fries all day. And I know, like before, like you guys comment, this is how you cut them. This is how you cut them. Yeah, I get that. We weren't expecting the veggetti to do what it didn't do. Exactly. Took the words right out of my veggetti.
Now that's a veggetti.
That's a veggetti. So, hand cut all those fries. You're welcome. Now we're gonna put them in a water bath to get out the starch. So we're gonna put them in cold water for probably 30 minutes. Okay, watch this. Watch how this water turns. It's getting cloudy. Like it's got glaucoma. I know you wouldn't. I hand cut the, oh God, now I don't know which one it is. Now, the main event, chicken wings. Took them out, dried them, got them to room temperature. Now, the wing purist will tell you don't season your wings. However, you always have to season your meat before you heat your meat. This recipe is from my best friend and yours,
Me.
Chef Kevin.
Thought I was your best friend.
No, Chef Kevin is. Yeah! Okay, so the secret seasoning of our $50,000 award-winning wings is...
Yeah, but you only won like a third of that, right?
Do you just want to hit me all day with your facts? $16,666. I think they gave us each 66 cents. That was nice of them. So we're gonna hit with salt, right? Garlic powder. Gonna hit it with a little turmeric. And then a little ground dry leaf oregano. This may seem weird, but I promise you, it's delicious. Now we're gonna use the best tools in the kitchen, our hands. It's like an ASMR video.
Yeah. That's right, baby. This one is just for you. I'm naked in the studio.
So now we gotta heat up the oil. Probably should have done that beforehand. So you want it about a third of the way up. No more than half. We're heating our vegetable oil up to 375. You actually had this brilliant idea.
Me, I did.
Alex did, behind the camera there, to do our French fries in epic beef tallow.
What is beef tallow, Steven?
So it's just animal fat.
What kind of animal?
This is from a cow.
Moo. Is it cat fat?
We're gonna heat.
So that solid becomes a liquid.
It smells like dead animal in here. Do you think they named the cow before they put it in this jar?
Yeah, that was tallow.
No, you never name it. You don't get attached. Once you name it, then you can't kill it. Get off. Down here. Get this thing off.
Steven Crowley, animal lover.
Okay, so we got our fries in our water bath. And right now, we gotta get them.
Those big fries, bro.
Yo, I like my fries like I like my ladies.
Puerto Rican.
That too. Why do we want the fries dry, Alex? Because water will cause what to happen? Fire. 375, the perfect temperature to drop your wings. And we're gonna use a
Spider.
right. Yes. You can remember because it kind of looks like a spider web. Now, you don't want to put too many wings in at a time. Damn it. Saved him.
He's a professional at it.
So we're gonna fry the wings for about 15 minutes to get that extra crispy, crunchy crackle crust. So Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes, please.
15 minutes, starting now.
I like my Alexa, you know what I mean? She just does what I tell her to do. Drop some fries, baby. Beautiful. So we're gonna do those for about 7 minutes. Do we want to ranch season the plated ones?
Ranch is disgusting white trash fish food.
Fish food?
Yeah, look how you're opening it.
You can make your own ranch. Well, why would you do that?
You're never gonna make it as well as Hidden Valley.
Hidden Valley. See, like, conventional wisdom tells you, like, when they float, they're done. But those people must like soggy chicken wings. Time to pull the fries. Bring off the excess oil. Oh, get that crisp. Now, I'm gonna dress them up extra. White trash for you.
Are you gonna eat these?
Yeah. Cool. Get it with a little ranch, a little kosher salt. Oh my god. I'm telling you. You have no idea what you're missing out on. Alright, so the wings are about done. It's been 15 minutes. So it's time to pull them out. So we got like light blistering, not burnt. Here. So we're gonna make the classic buffalo sauce on the fly. So we need Frank's Red Hot. Franks. Extra saucy. We're gonna hit it with the butter to cut the heat. Bang. Little Worcestershire sauce. And now, toss.
There you have it. $50,000 buffalo wings. Ooh! Get in on those.
Get in on those.
Yeah. That's right, baby. This one is just for you. Come here. I'm naked in the studio.
Now should we try one?
Yeah.
Wow. I'm telling you. Do this, and maybe you'll have $50,000.
A third of it.
Again, you and your facts. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. We got more coming, so stay tuned, stay tight, and smash that like button.
I hate you so much.